big tournament like Olympics is a very long wait for almost 41 years. And the girls today has also made a wonderful history. I think this will definitely boost the men team in the semi-finals tomorrow, and also the girls team to go up on the next ladder to the finals. Yeah, it's for hockey. In fact, big tournament like Olympics is a very long wait for almost 41 years. And the girls today has also made a wonderful history. I think this will definitely boost the men team in the semi-finals tomorrow, and also the uh, girls team to go up on the next ladder to the finals. They're one match away from being the podium. So I think they should, really put the best. They already put the best today, women team, and the men team also have done so well against Britain yesterday. I think this is a wonderful journey for the hockey lovers. In fact, I think uh, people always believe that in India, victory is very important than playing well. Playing well, nobody will accept in India. So I always keep telling everybody that don't play well, but play to win. So I think that's what the men team and the women team have done yesterday and today. And that's a great victory. Well, people will talk about the pandemic and we didn't have the exposure tour and all those things, but that has been for the every team in the participating at the Olympics. But I think India took the best of it because the government and the Hockey India had worked very well in spite of the pandemic. The girls, 5, 6 girls were down with the COVID, and the early part in March, even 2 or 3 players from the men's side were admitted for COVID, and they have come back recovered very well. And 9 months of patience at the Sai Center, Bangalore, has helped them to be very courageous, and that proved that Indian players can really come over a lot of obstacle, and that's going to be a mental strength for the team which has taken part at the Tokyo, and we have proved both physically and also mentally that we can move forward with all the backdrop what we had in India. So I think this is a wonderful message to all the Indian citizens that even during COVID we can be very disciplined and also come back successfully. Well, I suppose the Bangalore, because even I couldn't go and see the boys, but I only spoke to both the coaches, Graham Reed and Sargent. But they were very strong. In fact, they couldn't believe India's attitude, because none of the other countries can stay for 3 months, 4 months in one bubble. So in fact, the Graham Reed was really shocking to see all the boys in one bubble for 3 months. In fact, they had the last tour outside India was sometime in April. And after April, I think the entire team was in Bangalore. And in fact, before going also, he said the work they've done at the 3 months of the Bangalore will definitely give you a lot of good fruit. And that's how the Graham Reed and the boys have shown the courage in staying 3 months together. I mean, 90 days in one bubble, not going out, not even seeing the journalists. Same thing happened to the girls' team because they were in the other part of it, and they did a wonderful job. In fact, they left the families. Most of the people will understand. The families were a bit scared to go send the girls or maybe the boys. In fact, Manpreet, the captain, was just got married about 5, 6 months back. He left his wife, and all the sacrifices for the both men and boys, and in fact the coaches. In fact, Australian coach Graham Reed has not gone for more than 1 year because he's not allowed to enter his country. So that's where the lot of sacrifice is done for this Olympics, and I think the sacrifice is definitely well deserving, because both the men and women team were put the hockey game in the world map as far as I am concerned. Well, when for both men and women to put together their astonishing confidence against a big team. For example, I'll start with women girls side, because women team have lost at least by to Australia many times by big margin. But what I saw the change was that the confidence level in the first quarter itself, it's like you're playing the cricket in the first 3 overs. Like the first quarter, I think the Indian girls dominated and they got the goal in penalty corner. That's what is amazing to the all the hockey lovers. Same happened to the confidence level of the men team. They controlled the match in the first 2 quarters against Great Britain, and the third quarter they were a bit of under pressure. See, both the teams learn how to have the under pressure hockey. Like we say in cricket, you are playing under pressure. Like here, we playing under pressure, but you have to quickly come back to the game and win the game. That's what both the teams have handled the pressure very well. And pressure making and pressure things will only come when you have a courage to stay on the field, when you have the courage to face your opponent who is slightly superior than you in physical condition. Well, I think almost just a few days back, in say on 25th or 26th, we played the same with Spain in 1980. Just about a few days back of this calendar year. Now we are August 2nd. It was somewhere near 26th, 27th. We drew with Spain, 2-all draw. And again, we played, we semi-finals, we beat Russia, the host. I think that's very important. Then I had a very young side, like the same time youth the girls have got now. And the boys also have got 10 youthful team in this current Tokyo Olympic. So what I, as a captain and as a coach, Balkishan Singh, we did a lot of, talking to the boys more than planning, because, most important, we need to do a lot of talking to the boys and understand about what is national anthem of India and what is good for the winning the color of the gold, for color of the medal. So we can't be living, keep telling that bronze is to be happy or silver to be happy. To be successful on the podium, the plan has been so successful at Russia for us. We need a lot of changes to attract the Spanish team, because Spanish team was a very senior-most team. It's about 10 people playing a third Olympics and the captain playing a wonderful hockey there. So I think we handled the situation again there too. We kept on to the pressure there. We kept leading by 2-0, and then we came back to 3-1 in the second half. And in the last 2 minutes or 4 minutes to go, Spain equalized. Spain got the third goal. It became 4-3, and the captain made the hat-trick. And fortunately, we need to push up ourselves. And I can proudly say I did kind of 2 goal line saves on the last 2 minutes, and the final whistle went on 4-3. I can remember the way the girls team today was jumping in the ground. The same thing happened to us, because it is the same category of boys I had in the team, except for me and Bharat Chetty, 2 Olympians. But all the other players of 1920, like Mohammad Shahid, Mohin Fernandez, Zafar Iqbal, Kaushik, Ravindra Pal, I can't forget any name, even in my sleep. So that's how the Indian team, developed there. And, people were thinking that the babes of India living to Russia will not do anything at the Olympic. But, we proved it that the babes can win a medal, that 2 gold medal at Russia. And I want this to break. I don't want my name to be added every time Bhaskaran is the last captain of the winning team. I don't want that. I want that to be erased for the hockey lovers, because hockey has to go on. We need to have more heroes. Not only, we can't keep on telling, we have one Sachin Tendulkar, right? Next man came on cricket. We have, Usain Bolt. People yesterday, Jacob from Italy won. So I think the sports is all about having changes, having new things happening. And I wish only both the teams a wonderful luck. No, if I am the coach there, Graham Reed also will say the same thing, or anybody in my level at coaching and playing. No, I would want the Indian team to push ahead and try to play in the finals. I don't want anything less than that, because this team is definitely good at the podium. But, for example, if you move to the finals, now it's anybody's game in the finals. So I think this is what the men team should first target. Move to the finals, and this is not difficult. We have played against Belgium in recent past, and there may be here and there planning there, but I think we need to push ourselves to beat them. There is no question of, like people talking about India is already sure of bronze, all those things. That all those things is, it's not, will not make happy about me, because the boys have worked very hard in a different situation. So they need to be at the finals. That's what the motivation Graham Reed and the boys at Manpreet must have been, on the meeting there right now. And I think that could be the right, idea to move forward. Not just simply play the semi-final and be happy with that. But please go to the finals and also be very proud that you play the finals in spite of all the problems we face in the country. Yeah, the wall actually is definitely for both the teams is Sijesh. In the third quarter against Britain, I can still believe, say that he was very clever. It's like, wicket keeper in like Dhoni doing at the, he can handle any penalty corners in the world. CJ is the most senior man in the entire world as goalkeeping position. He has done well and he's definitely a good ball for India. Same with Savitha. Savitha is playing for the last, couple of years for the country. And I think it has been a wonderful journey for Savitha because she's played well in spite of not doing well in the first 3 games. Not that she has, lost and very confident. The confidence level was very, that's why I told the earlier one, the confidence and the pressure, taking off the Indian team because of the 8 months bubble and 6 months bubble, the pressure was handled well. And I think Savitha gets a big hug from me because the 3 penalty corners, 4 penalty corners, and back-to-back saves. Normally in women, back-to-back saves is quite difficult. She was alert, agile, and could definitely, thwart the ball. In the third quarter, she's at least saved 2 sure goals and also 2 goal line saves by Bumrah. I think all put together, the result was that the Savitha was giving confidence to the other players to go move up and play. See, normally, if a goalkeeper plays well, Indian team plays well, or any team like for that, goalkeeper should not concede bad goal. And that's what Savitha and Srijesh did. Already the message has gone to Manpreet that, very simple hockey, like, play with less pressure and do less mistakes because semi-final is all about the team which is doing, less mistakes will be successful. And that's what, Manpreet has to do with the boys. And Manpreet has already, vouched my message and saying that, yes, coach up, we will do that because most importantly in the semi-finals, it will be do or die situation in every quarter. Every team will have, all the 4-quarter hockey to be different plan. Maybe they will do defending or maybe do attacking in the second quarter. So all this, the Manpreet team, because Manpreet is playing his third Olympics and CJS is also playing the third Olympics. And I think these boys will definitely, lead the team to success. And the message is very clear from Manpreet also. He said, coach up, we will win. Now, he got back to me yesterday night and said that in the message, thanks for your message. We will follow and we'll definitely win the semi-finals. Same with Rani Rampal. I yet to message her, but she has been on WhatsApp every day. Rani Rampal is a wonderful skipper. In fact, she's always smiling. She's, put the team together for the last 3 to 4 years. And she's in a place that where, others cannot be in the place. She's making history there because she handled the pressure today. She's been talking to the girls each and every time when in the benches. So message is very clear that nothing loose in the semi-final for the girls. So, but don't think that semi-final Argentina is a big team. I sent a message to the coach. Please play the same hockey, brand of hockey against Argentina. Do not go into the field, like as if we can't beat Argentina. We can beat. Like what we thought today, every world thought that Australia can beat India hands down, but it did not happen. We also can create history by beating Argentina in the semi-finals.